In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make transactions using Apple Pay. Now, you might have heard of Apple Pay recently and how you can make payments without your card or without physical cash. Rather, make payments using only your phone. I'm going to show you how you can do that. Now, it's extremely simple, but just make sure you follow along the steps in this video so you don't miss any important details. And so you can successfully make those transactions with only your phone. But the first thing we want to do is we actually want to search up the Wallet app. And once we've searched up the Wallet app, we want to open it. It's pre-downloaded on your phone, and it's going to bring you to a page like this. Now, when you're on this page, you can currently see down here is my current card on this phone. But what we're going to do is we're going to click on the plus icon in the top right hand corner. When we click on that, it's going to bring us to a couple different options. You can either choose add Apple account, debit or credit card, transit card, driver's or state ID, and you can actually choose which card you want to add. In this case, we're just going to add a debit or credit card, and you're going to click continue, and you can either scan your account, scan your card right here, or enter card details manually. In this case, I'm just going to do manually, and you're going to type in your card number here. Once you've done that, you just click next. It's going to bring you to a page like this. Now, you're actually just going to put in your card details here. In this case, you can choose the date, the year, the CVC on the back of your card, the 3 digits on the back of your card, and then you want to click next. Now, once you click next, this will actually add your card to your profile. You just go down here, you can click on your card, and as you can see, this is the card on my profile page. And how you actually make the transactions with the card is you actually don't need physical cash or the card on you. But what you actually have to do instead is you double tap the power button on your phone, and it's going to scan your face or ask you for your password to log in. And now you have access to your card. You can make payments using the Apple Card. When you're at the store, you put your card next to the reader, and what it's going to do now is it's actually going to scan the card and give it permission to make the payment. And it's simple as that. You can repeat it. Not every place has Apple Pay, so it's still a good idea to carry a card or cash or however you're going to make a payment on you physically. But that is how easy it is to make payments using Apple Pay. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like down below and share this with a friend who also may need to start using Apple Pay if they only want to make transactions using their phone.